Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of
We
summer.
have a Chevy Colorado,
Maintenance now.
2005.
All types of maintenance from
3.5.
auto and truck. Air
The
conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes,
oil
transmission,
pressure
cooling
switch
system,
is
fan
leaking.
belts, ball joints.
It's
What's
right
on
there.
the car? Gabriel Auto can
See?
fix it or replace it.
You don't have to
Featuring
go
computerized
under. You
diagnostic.
just need to
Gabriel
remove
Auto
this
Technician,
this
413
cover,
Highway 100,
this
Laguna Heights.
plastic
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna
inner
Heights.
fender. See, and then you can see it right there. Let me put the camera right here so you can see better. Okay, right here is the switch. See, it's full of oil. It's leaking oil. I'm gonna wash this terminal and I'm gonna remove the switch. With a long extension, you can remove it from here, so you don't have to go under because it's a little bit too much trouble doing it from the bottom part. So with a long extension, or not too long if you don't have it, but you can make it with a long extension from the outside.
Full computerized diagnostic.
Okay.
Heating and AC, fan bill, timing bill, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-ups. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413
Right
Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician.
Let's
Gabriel
clean
Auto
this
Technician
part.
in Laguna Heights.
Now let's put the new one in. Okay. Okay. Let's get it tight.
Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow.
Right there.
All types of maintenance from repairs for your
It's got a no ring right there, right?
heating,
It's got a no ring on this part.
transmission, cooling
Okay, I'm gonna
systems,
clean this
fan
one with
belts,
some
what's on the car?
carburetor
Gabriel
cleaner.
Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized
See?
diagnostics.
So it
Gabriel
doesn't
Auto
have any
Technician,
oil inside.
413 Highway 100,
Okay.
Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician,
Let's
413
clean it.
Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay, let's put it on.
Are you in need of auto repair?
It's connected.
Or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel
there.
for auto
We finished.
repairs and full service maintenance. They are
Let's
AC
put the inner
certified
fender.
and Full computerized diagnostic.
That's it.
Your heating and AC, fan bill,
Thank you very much for
brakes,
watching.
including ABS, oil changes, and tune-ups. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.